What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So finally bad news is here. Without improvements, there are new details about the camera of future Samsung Galaxy S23 smartphones. The telephoto lens will not change. Samsung will not significantly improve TVS in the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. They will retain the resolution and 3x zoom. The sensor itself may be slightly different. The Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus smartphones, unfortunately, when it comes to the camera, will not improve compared to the current models. For the Galaxy S22 generation, Samsung updated its telephoto lens for the first time in 4 years. But in the Galaxy S23, it seems that there will be no further improvements. The source says that the novelties will retain the same 10-megapixel sensor with a triple optical zoom as the current Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus models. To be more precise, the sensor parameters will be the same, but they may be slightly different. But in general, apparently, you should not expect any special improvements in the operation of such cameras, although they can take place thanks to new software and a new SoC. In general, this situation is quite expected, since the Galaxy S23 Ultra will also be in the lineup, which will just offer more opportunities for shooting with zoom thanks to 2 telephoto cameras. After 4 years, Samsung finally upgraded the telephoto camera on the Vanilla and Plus versions of its high-end phones. The Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus features 10-megapixel telephoto cameras with a 3x optical zoom. Next year, the company might not improve it further. According to a Galaxy Club report, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus will feature 10-megapixel telephoto lenses with 3x optical zoom, just like their predecessors. Information about the main and the ultra-wide-angle module in future smartphone has not yet been disclosed. There are rumors that the Galaxy S23 Ultra may use a 200-megapixel camera sensor, probably ISOCELL HP1 or ISOCELL HP3 sensors, but the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus can install 50-megapixel main cameras. Journalists believe that Samsung should improve the ultra-wide module, while the 12-megapixel cameras on Samsung's flagships are not bad. They need a hardware upgrade, especially since most of China's top smartphones already have 48 megapixels and 50 megapixel sensors. The device will run Android 13 operating system and One UI 5 user interface. Samsung could be focusing on upgrading its internal storage. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be equipped with UFS 4.0 massive storage. As expected, the new Galaxy S23 line will be launched in February 2023. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.